Hi guys, welcome to day 7 of our design challenge. In today's challenge, I'll be teaching you how to create a stunning music cover using just your smartphone in PixelLab. If you have ever wanted to design a professional music cover but don't know where to start, this tutorial is for you. I'll be breaking everything down and showing you the step-by-step process behind this masterpiece. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you won't miss any important step. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I'm in PixelLab right now. The reason why I launched my PixelLab application is because we'll be making use of two backgrounds for this music cover design. And for us to blend the two backgrounds together, we will need to use PixelLab application. So this is the first background. I'll be importing the second background. Now go to add photo. Now this is the second background. Click on add. Beautiful. In case you have never done this, you'll be learning how to do this today with PixelLab. For instance, if you want to blend two backgrounds together and you don't know how to go about it, this tutorial video will help you understand how to do that. So this is the way we blend two backgrounds together using PixelLab. I've imported the second one. Now go to blend. Yes, we'll be using lightning. This is the preset we'll be using because this is the blend mode that is the best. I tried screen, but screen is not giving me what I want. Darken is not giving me what I want, so I decided to use lighting. Okay, now click on your good icon. As you can see, we've blended the two backgrounds together. Now click on this download icon. So we'll be taking the background to PixelLab right now. You get. So guys, we are now in PixelLab. Click on this icon at the right top corner of your phone. Go to image size. Now for this design, we'll be using a different dimension. It's not the regular dimension we'll be using. Now change your width to 1171. Now leave your height at 1280. This is the dimension that we'll be using because of the music cover design. Now let's import the background we just blended. So guys, this is the background. Click on your good icon. Now stretch it. Okay, it has covered our workspace. Click on this icon, then lock the background. Beautiful. Now the next thing we need to do is for us to import the image of the man of God. So guys, this is his picture. Click on your good icon. Beautiful. Now increase the picture a little. Okay, let's work on it. That reminds me, I'm not going to give you guys this picture because this picture is for a client. Now you can go ahead and use any picture of your choice, but for this particular one, I'm not going to be giving you guys. I know you are watching this tutorial video right now. You are like, oh no. Please go online and download any picture, provided that the picture blends with the background of the design. You are good to go. So guys, let's continue. Now click on the center icon. Click on draw. Increase the pen size, increase the smoothness, increase the blur radius. Tap on your screen. Click on the good icon. Now go to color. Enable it. We'll be using this color. You can pick the color from the background. Now click on your good icon. Go ahead and stretch it. Place it here. Copy it. Place it here. Copy it again. Place it here. Copy it again. Then place it here. Hope you can see what I've done. Beautiful. Make sure you position it well. Okay. Now click on this. Make sure you lock the shadows. Very important. Also lock the picture of the man of God. Now this man of God is a gospel artist. This happens to be his first music. He released this music last year on the 18th of April. The music is on Audiomack. You can go and listen to the music. It will bless your life in a small way. He didn't pay me for this ad I'm running on, but he's a good man. Go ahead and listen to his song. The song is going to bless your life. Now let's continue. Click on shapes. You reduce it this way. Bring it down. Stretch it. Okay. Place it here. Okay, let's see. Click on your good icon. Okay, highlight it. We're going to reduce it a little, just a little. Okay, let's see. This is good. This is good. Now click on it. Go to relative size. Increase it from here. Okay. Now move it. Okay. Now go to relative position. Make sure it's at the center. Okay. Okay. I think we need to reduce it a little again. Let's see. This is perfect. This is perfect. Now click on shapes again. Increase the radius. Reduce it. Make sure it's very tiny. Okay. Now go to position. Do you know what we are trying to create? We are trying to create that icon you usually see whenever you are playing any music on your phone. Pause and play icon. I don't know what is the name. If you know the name, let me know in the comment section. So highlight it, copy it. Okay, now delete this other one. Bring that one down. Highlight it, bring it down. Okay, now go to position. Okay, move it and place it here. Let's see. Okay, highlight it again, bring it down a little. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. So there are things we are going to import, some of the icons, and I'm going to import them now. So guys, this is the first icon. Okay, in case you have any challenge, probably it's the password, any challenge at all, do what to reach out to me. I'm here to help you guys. Don't be scared. If you chat me up and I don't reply your message, please be patient with me. I work with a design firm. This is what many of you don't know. I'm a very busy person. Sometimes I'll have to squeeze out time for me to respond to your messages. It's not as if I don't want to respond to your messages, but my hands are full. I'm always preoccupied. Even at night, I'm designing. I'm creating designs for clients. So please bear with me. It's not as easy as you think. Okay, this is good. Now go to shapes. Click on this. Click on triangle. Yes. Click on your good icon. Now move it this way. Okay, now reduce it. Reduce it. Okay. Go to position. Bring it down. Keep moving it. Okay. Move it a little. Okay, take it up. I think this is good. This is good. Highlight the shape again. Now go to relative size. Reduce it. Yes. And go to position. Bring it down. Then move it a little. Let's see. This is good. Now click on the grid lines. Enable it. Place it here. Now remove the rest. Sorry about that. Place this one here. Okay, then for this one, remove it. Remove. Then remove this other one. So we'll be working with this grid line to ensure that everything is well positioned. Now for this shape, copy it. Okay, bring it down. Now move it. Okay. Okay, now move it. Place it here. Okay. Go to crop. Flip it to the other side. Let's see. I think we'll have to rotate it. Now go to rotate. Let's rotate it. Hope you can see what I've done. Just rotate it. Okay. Okay, this is good. Let's see. Go back to shape again. Now click on the triangle again. Go back to rotate. Okay. Okay. Now delete it, don't worry. Go to shapes. Click on rectangle. Click on your good icon and reduce it. Go to position, bring it down. Okay. Okay, this is good. This is good. Now rotate it. Sorry about that. Rotate it. Okay. Now click on it. Let's reduce it a little. Okay. Okay, 4. Let's leave it at 4. Take it to the other side. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Now let's zoom in so we can see what we are doing. Okay, click on this shape. Go to position. Bring it down a little. Okay. Now let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. Okay, this is good. This is good. So guys, I'm going to pause this video so I can finish everything very fast. So guys, as you can see, I'm done arranging the play button icon and other icons. You know what I'm talking about. Now let's write his name. Go to a icon, click on edit. His name is Ruben. So bring it down. Now go to font. Search for 6L. In case you don't have this font, go and download it. 6L regular. That's the one we'll be using. So bring it down. Okay. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. You can also add shadow to it in order to make the text bold. So click on shadow, enable it. Click on the plus icon, reduce the opacity. Reduce it, shouldn't be too much. Then add one to this, add one to this. This is okay. Then now let's write is now available on AudioMac. Okay, so click on your plus icon. Is now available. Oh, sorry about that. Available on. Okay, bring it down. Reduce it. Place it here. Go to font. We'll be using Montserrat medium. Yes. So bring it down. Or let's drop the weight. Go back to font. Let's search for Montserrat. Okay. Let's use Montserrat regular. Yes. This was the font I used when I created the design for the client. Now there's something we're going to import. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. Reduce it. This AudioMac logo. Yes. Like I said earlier, the music is on AudioMac. You can go and listen to it. You'll be blessed, believe me. Okay. Now click on your text. Go to edit. We'll be writing AudioMac. So the font we are going to use is Montserrat. Yes, we'll be using Montserrat bold. Yes, reduce it. Place it here. Now go to color. Yes, go to color. We're using a black color for this right up. Go to position, bring it down. Now for the rest information, 18th April 2025. Let me pause this video so I can write it. So guys, as you can see, I'm done writing everything. I'm done with the write-ups. But guys, if you look at this write-up here, the life-giving spirit, you could see that it is not obvious. The write-up is not visible. Now, how do we make the write-up visible? There's something I want to teach you guys, so pay close attention to what I'm about to teach you guys. Pick one of the shadows we created when we covered part of this picture. Pick one of them. Go to opacity, reduce the opacity to 50. I mean, you should duplicate one of the shadows, okay, reduce it to 50, then place it here. Copy it again, place it here. Now click on this icon. Make sure you take it behind the text. Very important. Copy it again, place it here. Click on this icon, take it behind what? The text. Copy it again, place it here. Then you do what? Take it behind the text. Copy it again, place it here. Then you do what? Take it behind the text. Please make sure that it doesn't touch his hair. I'm trying to rush this video because this video is already too long. So reduce it in such a way that it won't touch the hair. Just take it up. Take it up. Sorry about that. Just take it up. Ensure that it's not touching the hair of the man of God. You understand? It's not difficult. I know many of you are now complaining, sir, it's difficult. It's not difficult. Just take your time and do what I've asked you guys to do. Just take it behind. Now when you are done, save it, take it to PixelLab for final editing. I think I should do it so you can see it. So guys, as you can see, we are now in PixelLab. Click on tools, go to adjust, increase the brightness a little. Okay, now increase the contrast. Lest I forget, happy new month. Tomorrow will be 1st of April. We'll be crossing over to April by tomorrow, so I want to take this opportunity to welcome you all to the month of April. If you are watching this video, happy new month. You're welcome. Now go to shadow, increase it. So guys, we are done with this design. Once again, happy new month. I pray that the Lord will cause his face to shine on you in this new month, and the Lord will establish the works of your hands. The Lord will cause his favor to find in the month of April. Make sure you say amen. I'm praying for you because I want this month to be one of your best months in 2026. Thank you so much. Do well to leave a like, comment, hit the subscribe button. Lastly, turn on the notification bell. It's Vixen Tech Global. Do well to watch the video that will appear on your screen right now.